Dhali Mamoon's Atlas of Dissent um, is about the colonial influence on our subcontinent. More than an exhibition, this experience was more of a sensory experience of the colonial era. The entire gallery smells of cloves and tea, and most of the installations and the motifs used contain tea and cloves. These were some of the most common spices that were traded from our subcontinent to the colonies. As for the other aspects of the exhibition, it covers a lot of things, starting from the Industrial Revolution to the trading map. So, Atlas itself is the name of a map. So, the artist basically tries to portray how the colonies used the map as an empirical device to divide our subcontinent according to their convenience. They made this as though they were deciding what would be our borders, what would be our identities, our culture. Everything was mapped out by them, and that's a metaphor that I noticed throughout the exhibition. There are skulls with engravements on them. The engravements also represent our tribal art, our tribal symbols. The video art, especially, has a very interesting thing where the map is shown as an animal which is decomposing into the ocean. And as it decomposes into the ocean, there are ships that are catching it. There are cattle that are going through each image, and that represents trade and how it drained our country of its resources, of its life, and how it drained our culture of its cultural value. This exhibition is a representation of the 1800s, of the 1850s, how the colonies basically influenced and captured our lands without our consent, which is basically the Atlas of Dissent.